A garden tiller is a tool that can make your gardening easier. It helps you to till the soil and aerate it, which makes it easier for plants to grow and produce healthy fruits and vegetables. Some of the benefits of using a garden tiller are: it makes your gardening more efficient. You don't have to worry about gas or electricity as it runs on battery power. It's easy to store because it is lightweight and compact. These three factors below will help you decide which type of garden tiller best suits your needs. Power. The power of a garden tiller will determine how fast it can work and how deep it can dig into the soil. A more powerful engine will also have less noise than an average one. Size. It is important to consider a garden tiller's size before purchasing one so that it does not take up too much space in your yard or home. Price. Make sure you have a budget outline to buy a garden tiller that perfectly suits your requirements. On that note, let's take a look at some of the best garden tillers on the market that can help make gardening a cinch. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunjoe Electric Garden Tiller. The Sunjoe Garden Tiller is a pretty cost-effective tiller if you wish to break the tough soil in your garden. Made of alloy steel, its 13.5 amp motor cultivates up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep. It also offers a 3-position adjustment for better maneuverability. Furthermore, what makes the Sunjoe tiller one of the best picks here is the foldable handle design. This ergonomic design makes for easy storage. Number 2. Ekamax Garden Tiller. Searching for a lightweight and durable garden tiller to serve your needs? The Ekamax Garden Tiller is worth a try. The powerful 13.5 motor provides a tilling depth and width of 9 and 18 inches, respectively. It also has multi-purpose wheels to improve the scope of maneuverability while also maintaining control over cultivating depth. What's more, the tiller is a compact size and easy to carry. It can be used for gardening in greenhouses, vegetable gardens, orchards, and many other places. Number 3. Ukoki Cordless Tiller. The Ukoki Cordless Tiller is pretty similar in many ways to the previous tiller on the list. It has a 280 RPM that allows it to till your backyard easily within a few minutes. The elongated shaft of the tiller means you can easily adjust it according to your height. No more hunching to hold a tiller. The design is fairly simple and compact. Also, it has an eco-friendly and noiseless operation. The 20V battery can power up the machine for about 35 minutes, meaning you can easily till a medium-sized field. Number 4. Lawnmaster Tiller. The Lawnmaster Tiller is available in 2 variants differentiated on tilling width. The higher variant boasts an 18-inch cutting width along with a 9-inch tilling depth. It's made of durable alloy steel and also has rust-resistant blades. The Lawnmaster Tiller doesn't require gas or oil, which makes it a very low-maintenance product. It runs at a commendable power and speed of 390 RPM. It's easy to use and creates very low noise, so your ears and your neighbors will thank you for this purchase. Number 5. Earthwise Garden Tiller. If you're searching for a cheap and effective tiller, the Earthwise Garden Tiller deserves your undivided attention. For under $100, it can easily perform all the functions you'd expect from a good garden tiller. With the 2.50 motor, it has tilling dimensions of 7.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep. The lightweight design also makes the tiller a portable machine, so you can carry it anywhere. And the ergonomic grip ensures your hands will never slip off while using the machine.